Welcome back, guys. Here we are in another installment of Browsing Brookens. Last week we showed you how to traverse the call system. Now this week we're actually going to follow. So we're going to jump right in. Alright, so here we have the call number. First thing we got to look at that first letter, which is P. Now, so we're first going to look at the collections. There's A through G. P's not there, so let's look at another one, H through Z. So P's going to be in there, so we're going to go that way. Just as a reminder, the collections do loop around and connect. But it'll be a little more efficient right now to just go straight to the P section. So off we go. Alright, so we're looking for PR 6019. We're clicking right down here. So we're looking for PR 6019. We're going to look right here. You can also look at this up here on the other side. We're just going to stay down here for now. So we're looking for PR 6019. Looks like there's definitely a PR section, but there's 6019 is on this area. So here, it's definitely going to be within this range. So look at the next information. We're going to go down this line of the steps and look for it a little further. All right, here we are now, down this ladder. So first thing we look at, we're definitely PRs. The next thing we're looking at is make sure we're actually at the 6019. So just kind of looking around. Looks like right here is where they start, so 6019. Next thing you have to look at is this 09. So looking around. Looks like the next 09s are here. So next thing is P6. Let's see. Not quite. Yes, right here. P6. So now, just to make sure, this is like nothing else has P6 except these two. Let's see, the year matches up, 1964. Now the C1 and C2 don't matter because they're just different copies of the same book. Alright, so we'll take out C2. Alright, so now you can come check this out downstairs. Or before checking out for like a little read, you go to one of our various areas on this floor to give a little preview. Thank you for joining us this week as we found the book using the call number system. Hopefully you'll join us next week for another installment of Browsing Brookens with the Spark team.